Hello guys, welcome to Washaq command 4x4. The most complicated job in Discovery 2. You can see here is Magnico spark plug cable set. What we are going to install it is 8.5 mm. Okay, and this is for high performance to support little bit increase your car performance. Now the difficult job is how to install these cables. You all know very well, but I'm not going to follow the same way because this is the terrible job. I'm going to find my way and I'll show you how it works. Hi, you can see me here. You can position yourself like this, and remember, you will be using one hand only. You need to be very careful about these hoses and lines here. So how you do that? You keep your hand here and use the left hand, okay, to get down there and remove the wires, okay, one by one. Okay, if you are not able to only use the left hand, you can hold somewhere with the left hand here, and then you will use your right hand. But be careful around this area. So many electronical things, hair hoses, they are breakable, remember. And the tools, you will use 18 mm, this one sparks, okay, for helping to pop up this. I can show you here. You can fix it here and push it back like that. And the another hand also, you need a flat screwdriver. Sometimes you need to move it around. So let's begin. I already removed 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 from right side and 1 from left side. So I'm going to remove the remaining. How many remaining? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is remaining. Okay, let's begin. So the good tip to start the job, you first better remove the top one, then the bottom one. I need a help here. We little got stuck in this area because I need a longer screwdriver here. But let's see if this can work here. Here we go. One more. Happy life. How many remaining? Okay, some are there, down there, difficult one. But let's do difficult things. Okay. Remember, it's difficult but not impossible. Where are you, man? Yeah, I need to little remove it from here because so I can twist it and my job will be easier. Here we go. Okay, very good. Now it's loose, you can twist it around. The left side bottom one seems difficult. Let me use some tools if I can in that area. Oh, really difficult. Very difficult here to use such tools. But don't worry, Washaq is here. Washaq will find a way, the easy way. Yes, I told you, this is Washaq Baba. Hi. Okay, one more here to go. Wow, I'm happy today. Wow, this is very bad. Meow. Oh God, I need help. Again help. Hi buddy, what are you doing there? Why are you giving me trouble? You're the last one, so pay some patience please. Now we applied some magic, let's see. The last one is really giving us problem. We need to find a way, we need to think little bit. Nothing is broken, right? Yeah, till now nothing is broken. It's a good news. Why? Let's lose it. Here is the one, the last one at the bottom left side is giving hard time. I got another tool, a small size flat screwdriver and small size nose plier. So I hope this too will be helpful. Let's try again. No, my friend. I think I need to use my finger hard. That's the only way I can pull it. Otherwise, no other way. Wow, you got this. No good luck yet. The last one is giving trouble. Why? Why it's so hard? Because there's no enough space. You can use your fingers. We should remove this hose. Having some rest, got tired and thinking. The only problem is the left hand bottom one piece. That is making difficult time. Dun, dun, dun. No problem. Okay, got it. Got it. See ya. Yes. Very bad boy. Now, you must need a diagram. Okay, for fixing the wires, new wires, and plus also start from the bottom. Okay, first put the bottom wires. Okay, then on the top one, then you fix it to with your plugs. Thank you for watching, and this is the same way you have to put the wires in. I'll try to make a video if possible.